What's up guys, it's Xavier, the Ethical Gamer, and today I will be opening 4 Maximum Crisis booster packs. And now, for the first pack. Spiral Mission Rescue, Kaiser Sea Snake, Speedroid Skull Marbles, Disciples of the True Draco Phoenix, Raid Raptor Stranger Falcon, Supreme King Z-ark, Supreme King Dragon Darkworm, Speedroid Malicious Magnet, and Magician's Left Hand. And the next pack. Venu Bright Bird of Divinity, Phantom Spiral Assault, Phantom Spiral Grip, Predaplant Orpheus Scorpio, Fairy Tale Luna, Predaplant Cordyceps, Firecracker, Zodiac Hammer Kong, Prologue of the Destruction Swordsman. And next, we need Kaiju, Kaiser Sea Snake, Disciple of the True Draco Phoenix, Pendulum Switch, True King of All Calamities, Phantom Spiral Wave, Supreme King Dragon Darkworm, Primordial Cry, Subterror Behemoth Speleologist. And the final pack. Lysic Cobalt Sparrow, Magician's Right Hand, Spiral Mission Rescue, BES Big Core Mark III, True King of All Calamities, Ghost Beef, Zodiac Hammer Kong, BEF Zelos, and Digital Bug LED Bug. I hope that you've enjoyed this video. So, if you liked the video, give it a like. If you'd like to see more, please subscribe, follow me on Twitter, and like my Facebook page.